Hi, I'm Brent Purcell and I'm the Assistant Service Manager at Aquaguard. My responsibilities at Aquaguard are supporting our technicians, our admin, and sometimes fielding issues that are out of the norm. Those who would excel in this position in the service department are those who would be able to think critically in a situation in front of a customer. They need to be able to take all of the information that's available at home and come up with a solution that's proper for that situation and also makes that homeowner comfortable. One of the most rewarding situations that we face daily is to take a customer that feels unseen and to shine a light on their situation. We're able to take those phone calls and turn that customer around to be able to say, hey, don't worry, we've got this situation on our hand. It's not something that we haven't dealt with, and we've got you. We're going to take care of you. One word I would use for the service department is family. The people here really care about their job. They really care about their customers. No one's faking it. To be able to know that you can count on your teammates, your coworkers, your friends, it's an amazing experience every day working at Aquaguard. Secretly, I think that the service department is the best department at Aquaguard. There's so many benefits to being a service technician. You'll be provided with state-of-the-art technology and tools in order to quickly and efficiently provide a solution for that customer and a diagnosis. Among our core values, one of those values is to have fun. One of my ways I love to contribute to that is monthly I cook breakfast for our team. And just to be able to get around the meal and laugh and have fun before you go out for the day, it's something that you don't find everywhere. Whether it's bringing in a birthday cake, bringing someone flowers, someone brings in cookies. There are just so many ways that we celebrate just being Aquaguard and being a family here. Working at Aquaguard is incredibly fulfilling. I get to solve problems, I get to think critically, I get to be challenged every day, but most importantly, I get to do it with people that I enjoy working with.